Let's talk about how to check out equipment through our online portal. It's a simple two-step process that can be completed online. Please head over to the University of Washington's website, com.uw.edu. Click on the equipment checkout page found under the Resources tab shown here. This will provide you any information you need to know. Scroll down to the purple button labeled Reserve Equipment, and it will take you to our equipment checkout page. Another way to get there is through our quick links at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on Student Equipment Checkout as seen here. Now you are on the home page of the equipment website. It is time to create a reservation by clicking the reservation link. You will want to select the time and date for both your pickup and return. Please note our hours of operation here. Once you have done so, you will scroll down to the options below. If you click on the names of each kit, it will show you each component within the kit. You will want to check the boxes of each kit you would like to reserve. Be sure to take a look at the kits and the components if you don't have much experience with the gear. Now we are ready to create a reservation by clicking Create Reservation as seen here. That's it. You have created your equipment reservation. Please note the times and dates you have set to pick up and drop off your equipment. We ask that you maintain professionalism as you are responsible for being timely and handling the kits with care. We do reserve the right to penalize and hold your account in the event that the user agreement is broken. When you arrive on location to pick up your equipment, please give yourself extra time so you can ensure you will be able to get to where you're going within the time frame you need to be there. Please have your Husky ID ready to show our staff. This ensures that each reservation is given to the right person. If you are without your Husky ID, your regular photo ID will work as well. If you reserve well in advance, it will allow our staff a chance to scan everything prior to your arrival. In this instance, we are going to scan this kit. Each component has a barcode to ensure every item is accounted for. We scan each component individually, so this may take a few minutes. Our friendly staff will assist you in this process and answer any questions you may have. Our staff will then print out your reservation receipt. Upon pickup, we will have you sign and date the first open line on the page. We will have you sign again when you make your reservation return. That's it. You've checked out your first kit with us at UWCom's Equipment Checkout Program.